This video is about the installation of bow and stern thrusters on our 2006 53 Navigator. As seen from Harbor Island, San Diego, California. Jump to a minute 21 if you want to get right to the haulout. The work begins on July 5th with the boat being hauled out at Safe Harbor Shelter Island Boatyard in San Diego. As you see in this clip, the boat has neither a bow nor stern thruster. Well, here we are, day one, hauled. Going to be situated here for the bow and stern thrusters, and let the games begin. We put down multiple levels of cover to protect the floor and walls. Alejandro measuring, designing, and drilling the first pilot holes. The pilot holes coming through both port and starboard sides of the hull. This is the beginning of installing the bow thruster tube. As a side project, I wanted to cut off the counter between the salon and galley. I engaged Yacht Doctor to cut off and blend the Corian counter. This is what it looked like before. A series of photos to give you a sense of the components and initial work. Brendan with Morton Marine Services. He did nearly all of the thruster installation work. I can't say enough about him and Ken Morton. Oh yeah, smart. Safer. Yep. The bow gets draped for 5 work days of fiberglass work. I need a beer, and at this point I had no idea that the work wasn't going to finish until July 15th. Brendan, focusing on the stern thruster as so much time was going into the prep for the bow thruster. Ken Morton, the owner, assisting Brendan. He did this from time to time. The bow thruster tube is roughed in. A beginning look at the electrical requirements, which consisted of pilot house and flybridge controls, battery banks, electronics for the wireless controller, breakers, fuses, chargers, and wire. The battery system consists of two AGM Group 31 12-volt batteries, wired in series to provide 24 volts for each thruster. I selected the largest size 24-volt thrusters appropriate for this vessel. I decided to go furniture shopping for the Navigator as everything on board had come from the prior owner. It was all quite dated and very dirty. Seemed like time for an upgrade to me. Yacht Doctor returned for continued work on the counter, and we also started talking about what we might do to enclose the TV and put it on a vertical mount. I pulled out the old TV. Attention to detail, who normally does my boat washing and waxing, came and polished and waxed the starboard side of the boat. Alejandro sculpted the forward edge of the tube so that water flowed over the back edge of the tube and did not create drag. On Sunday, Jackie and I agreed to the furniture we wanted. On Wednesday, we received the first piece, a reclining chair. Time to get a new water pump for the gen set. I moved the old TV to the master cabin where it coincidentally fit perfectly. The beautifully finished counter by the Yacht Doctor. Thank you, Fred and Sean. Hooray! We are just about ready to hit the water. Here we go. The last walk around before this goes back into the water.
Oh, got a good stick. That's a big stick, boy.
Got the bow and stern thrusters, of course. New bottom job. Starboard side was completely buffed. Let's see. What else? All the metal's done. Blah, blah, blah. I've done a gazillion projects inside the boat. Crossed off almost everything on my list. So, word is we're getting close to going back in the water, so I wanted to get this last video in the yard, and we'll see what's next. What's that, Bob?
We're gonna see if it floats with a hole in it.
Yeah, no joke.
It's a big one.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And to think I paid money for that.
Yeah. Like.
Okay. On Saturday the 16th, Bob Brokaw and I piloted the boat back to the slip. The thrusters were fantastic. My major learning is quality first. There are so many people to thank. I've noted them here, and if you're watching this video and need any of these folks, I would highly recommend any of them. Thank you for watching.